everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Yunez Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I'll be planning out the week of March 8th through the 14th using this stunning kit called Amelia from PaperMuseCrafts. It is in gold foil. I've held on to it for a while, waiting for like the perfect week to lay it down, and this week just kind of felt like that one. So without any further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base, and then get back to you with the day today. Okay, so to start off, the bow headers that I pulled in on the base are from a freebie that I got from Sadie's Stickers. The little dividers on the sidebar are from Honey Inked. I do pull in one of the decorative frame boxes from Crafts by Towie. I use some of the deco down at the bottom and then some hang bows from Sadie's Stickers as well. And then in the top, the month script, I layer a box from Bloom Paper Studio, some floral deco from the kit, and then the bow flourish is from Rose Colored Days. To start off on Monday, as always, I'm just marking that I uploaded my plan with me on this day. So to mark that, I pull in a frame box from Bloom Paper Studio, some deco from Honey Inked. Those little leaves are from a floral deco sheet, and the sparkles are from Honey Inked as well. The little planner is from Planning World. The flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio, and the florals are from the kit. Then I wanted to mark that I went to the gym with my really good friend Lacey. So to mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit, a mini mandala from Honey Inked, and the shoes are from GP Studio, who is reopening her shop in May. Thank the good sweet heavens. For a minute there, I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to get my favorite icons anymore, but thankfully I will. Okay, so after that, so I put UGG. I got backed into on this day. I was trying to leave my apartment complex, and the way you have to do it, our entrance to our apartment complex, obviously it's a one-way, and you have to go around the building to the other side to exit. And there was someone who was parked on that side, and they were trying to exit through the entrance, and they obviously were not looking when they were backing up, so they backed into me as they were trying to swing around and leave. And they were trying to make it out like it was my fault, and my husband had to come down and be like, this is a one-way and you were trying to go out of the entrance and that's not right. So it was a whole debacle. So I just put UGG on that particular box because it was just, luckily there was no damage to my car. Like it felt like it sounded like it was way worse than it actually was, but luckily it wasn't. Anyways, to mark that, I pull in a fancy frame box from Nikki Plus 3, some more florals from the kit. The sparkles are from Honey Inked, the flourish is from Panda Bird Design, and the car is from Crafts by Towie. I did mark that I went to James Avery on this day and bought this really beautiful sunflower ring that I've been eyeballing for a long time. It's kind of like, it was a consolation. Like I was like, okay, I've had a rough day, I want this. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit. The ring icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then to cap off the night, I cooked some dinner. So I pull in a decorative circle from the kit. The utensils are from Crafts by Towie, and the script is from my mom. Jumping over to Tuesday, I just marked that I had my fitness class on this day. So I pull in some florals. Actually, those are florals from a sweet planner sheet. I've been holding on to these florals for a while, and I was just, I was so happy to be able to pull them in. These flowers matched perfectly with the kit. I layered a notch box from the Giving Girl over top of them. The little yoga mat is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that I hung out with my good friend on this day, so I pull in another half box from the kit. Those hearts are from Clever Girl Crafts, and I utilized a Rachel tip where I layer the foiled hearts over the non-foiled hearts. Then I wanted to mark that we did a Michaels run and a Container Store run because I was looking for some new acrylic organization for my planner room. Then to cap off the night, I just kind of had a movie night with my husband. Okay, so jumping over to Wednesday, I wanted to mark that I had my Zoom class on this day. So I layered a mini mandala with a small flag from the kit. The laptop is from Planning World, and the flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio, and the custom script is from my mom. Then I wanted to mark that me and my husband did so much laundry on this day. Like, it was obscene how much laundry we had to do on this day. So it was a big job. So I pull in a half box from the kit, some more florals from the sweet planner. The laundry basket is an icon from the kit, and that bow divider is actually from a freebie from Panda Bird Design. I believe it's from Tay's freebie, actually. Then I wanted to mark that I organized my planner room on this day. I was so excited because I picked up some new acrylic organizers the day before from Michaels and also the Container Store. By the way, if you've never been inside the Container Store, it's a dangerous place to go if you're an organization junkie. Holy crap, there's so much in there. I had so much fun. But anyways, to mark that I organized my planner room, I pull in a decorative circle from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals from the Sweet Planner. The washi tape roll is from Planning World, and the sparkle cluster is from Honey Inked, and along with that vine deco piece, that's also from Honey Inked. Then I wanted to mark that I uploaded on this day. I uploaded a lot this week. I believe this was the day that I uploaded my Go Getter Girl functional monthly setup. I know it's a little late in the month to upload it, but I took my sweet time to do the voiceover. To mark that, I pull in a label from the kit, another journal icon from Planning World, and the upload script is from Planning Roses. Jumping over to Thursday, I wanted to mark that I slept in on this day. This week has been really bad for like my chronic migraines. I get chronic migraines. And the last 4 days of this week, they were like on and off, and it was just really bad. So I slept in on this day because I had a terrible, terrible migraine. So to mark sleeping in, I pull in some more florals from the Sweet Planner, another notch box from the Giving Girl. The pajamas icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then jumping down, I marked that I had a terrible headache. So I pull in another label from the kit, and the medicine bottle is actually from Crafts by Towie as well. I pull in so much Crafts by Towie this week. Then I use another piece of Vine Deco from Honey Inked as a divider, and I had to mark that I had a personal training session on this day. Yes, I had to fight through my migraine to do a personal training session, but you know, you girls gotta hustle. So to mark that, I pull in another half box, some more florals from the Sweet Planner. Those shoes are from Planning World, and the divider is from Bloom Paper Studio. Then I wanted to mark that for dinner I made chicken and rice, so I pull in another circle from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals from the Sweet Planner. The sparkle cluster is from Honey Inked, along with the leaf deco, and the pots and pans icon is from Crafts by Towie. Jumping over to Friday to start off the day, I am marking that I had my Zoom class, and I'm marking that the exact same way that I marked it on Wednesday. I really like keeping things cohesive and everything, but I find sometimes maybe it gets kind of repetitive and boring, but I've had my spreads be chaotic where like I mark it differently every single day, and I like the look of a cohesive spread better. That probably sounds ridiculous to say. It's like, of course, Jen, of course you're gonna like a cohesive spread better. But I know some people may get kind of bored with like, oh, that's the same thing. But when it's all finished and you see the whole spread laid out, you're like, oh, okay, that works. So I don't know, just food for thought there, you know, I guess information that you didn't ask for, but there it is. Because I know it can seem redundant when I'm just talking about the exact same stickers and the exact same events. I mean, we all have pretty much the exact same events going on because, you know, hello, 2020 and 2021 have been that way. But yeah, case in point, I just like the way a cohesive spread looks. Anyways, thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Okay, second thing I wanted to mark is that I ran to HEB on this day. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit. The grocery bag is from Planning World. And then I do add some of those hanging crystals from Honey Inked. I don't know, I just thought they looked really pretty with this kit. Then I wanted to mark that I filmed on this day. I did a lot of filming. I started filming this spread, and then I filmed a haul as well. So I just there's a lot. So to mark just filming, I pull in another one of those boxes from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals from the Sweet Planner. The camera on the tripod is from Crafts by Towie. The flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio, and the film script is from Planning Roses. Oh, this is the night that I binged a ton of stuff on Netflix and old stuff that I hadn't seen since I was a kid, and it brought such nostalgia back. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the movie House Arrest with Jamie Lee Curtis, but I used to watch that movie back when I was 9 and 10, and it just brought me back to that time. It was a lot of fun. So I had a lot of fun just binging some Netflix. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit. The TV is from the Glitter Mama. Then to cap off the night, I filmed a journaling supply haul, and I don't know, I've never filmed a journaling supply. I filmed, sticker hauls before, but I've never filmed journaling supplies. Journaling supplies are a little different because they're kind of all over the place. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing it. I do have the footage. It's not edited yet, but let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing a journaling supply haul. Okay, jumping over to Saturday, this is my nephew's birthday. He is 7, my little squeaker bug. So to mark that, I pull in some more florals from the Sweet Planner, a bowstring box from the Giving Girl, some more leaf deco from Honey Inked. The balloons are from Rose and Tea Shop, along with the star cluster. The star cluster is not from Rose and Tea Shop, that's from Honey Inked. And the happy birthday script is from Rose Colored Days. Then I wanted to mark that we had to go and put a work party together and help my grandmother pack up her house because she is moving in with my sister. She is 89 and cannot live by herself anymore. So she now lives with my sister. So we have to go and pack up her house because her house sold. So to mark that, I pull in a flag from the kit, and the little boxes on the dolly are from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that I edited, so I pull in a washi box from Simply Watercolor Co. The pen is from Crafts by Towie, and the edit script is from Planning Roses. I wanted to mark that this was a pizza night. My dad bought pizza for everyone who helped my grandmother pack up her house. So to mark that, I pull in a confetti circle from the kit, and the pizza icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the vine deco is from Honey Inked. Jumping over to Sunday. Okay, so I pre-planned Sunday. I filmed this last part of the week on Friday, and I pre-planned Saturday and also Sunday. So I marked that we were going to go to church, which we had every intention to do so, but we forgot to account for the time change because we sprung forward and everything, and so we lost an hour, gained an hour, whatever it is, and we overslept and missed our alarms. So I marked that we did church, but we actually overslept and missed it. I feel really bad about that. Then I wanted to mark that after that, we did go to an antique show, me and several of my friends, which was a lot of fun. So to mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit, a mini mandala from Honey Inked, and then those little teacups are from Crafts by Towie, and I thought they were perfect because they look like little antiques, and I was like, oh my gosh, yes, that's perfect. Then I wanted to mark, okay, so like I said, I pre-planned this week. This day. This was supposed to be my nephew's birthday dinner because the day before was his actual birthday, but we were packing my grandma's house, so we didn't really get to do much for him. This was supposed to be his birthday dinner. Me and my husband were on our way to his birthday dinner, and my tire exploded on the road. It's been a week. It's been a week for me in terms of car issues, but my tire exploded on the road, and my husband had to change the tire in the rain, and the traffic was speeding by really fast, and it was windy, and it was just, it was a lot. So anyways, I talked over the last couple of things that happened, but here are the leftovers from the kit along with the Viv Wiggle. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!